Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use PeaZip for beginners. First, open PeaZip on your computer. When PeaZip opens, you will see its file manager. From here, you can browse files and folders on your computer. I'll now go to the location where my audio file is saved. As you can see, the audio file is displayed here. If I right-click on the file, I can see several useful options. For example, I can use the rename option to change the file name. I can also see the delete option. I'm not going to delete the file in this tutorial. I'm only showing where the option is located. PeaZip can also be used to browse folders and manage different types of files. Now I'll click on the three-dot menu at the top and open Settings. Inside Settings, you can find different sections such as MISC, Performance, Privacy, and Security. These options allow you to review and customize different parts of PeaZip. For beginners, it's best to explore the settings carefully and avoid changing options that you don't understand. PeaZip is mainly useful for working with compressed and archived files, while also providing a convenient way to browse and manage files. With PeaZip, you can work with common archive formats, browse folders, rename files, and access many useful file management options. So these are some of the basic features you should know when starting with PeaZip. Thanks for watching this beginner's guide. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials.